Today we're gonna talk about noise cancelling technology. We live in a world full of noises. Those are car noises, construction noises, people fighting, talking, crying, birds, river, so many things happening behind us. And we don't hear that. We don't notice that actually. We hear that, but we don't notice that because our brain has ability not to notice these things. It just cuts annoying things from our vision, just like our nose. It's always in our vision. Our eyes always see that, but we don't notice that. The same thing with noises that happens around you. People who do meditation, they know what I'm talking about. And what can we do in this routine world where there are so many noises? Of course, you cannot stop all those noises from happening, but you can stop you from hearing all those noises. I'm talking about active noise cancelling technology. So the best active noise cancelling headphones are Bose and Sony. What they do, they just catch the background noises, sound waves, flatten them so you don't notice them, you don't hear them. You will hear the person who stands in front of you and talk, but you will hear only that person, and that is so fantastic. A lot of people use that for listening the music when they put the headphones and they listen only and only to that music. In my case, I made myself a birthday gift, so I bought one of those active noise cancelling headphones. And I don't understand how I could live in this world full of so much noises. It's so nice, it's so calm. I want to be honest, I didn't buy it for listening to music. I buy it to have a silence during the meditation or prayer or anything you want to call it. I need silence. First, I will put in the description the techniques how you can control your concentration during your prayer or during your meditation, but also we can help ourselves by cancelling our ears from the background noise, from anything happens there. If you can find some calm place, yeah, great, lucky, but not everyone who live in urban place can find that quiet place. In that case, that's why I buy these headphones. So today I'm gonna compare two of these headphones, which one gives silence the best. These are my headphones, Bose C35 Quiet Control. It's already a week I'm using them. It's really great. Right now I hear some noise. I think of air conditioner here, people talking there in this room. So when I put these headphones, I don't hear these air conditioner or people talking there. And that's such a great thing. I was walking in the city with these headphones and I don't hear that a lot of people talking, cars, I don't hear that. And now I'm gonna test Sony. They also have active noise cancelling technology, so let's see. The same, I don't hear noise here and I don't hear people talking there. I hear it myself. Most of the active noise cancelling technology works almost the same. The only difference is in additional features. For example, Sony has touchpad here. Change the volume, and another feature is that you put your hand there and it disables. So when you accidentally scratch your hair, it just disables. This is an annoying thing. Here in Bose have these buttons to control the volume, have extra button to control the level of active noise cancelling. It has its own microphone, it just turns on and you hear everything that happens there. In my case, I bought this thing for meditation or prayer, and it works. It work so good, so good. Thank you for watching. I hope you buy yourself one of these things. You will not regret. This is fantastic. I really don't understand how I could live in this world full of so much annoying noises. Only when you use them after you understand how life is beautiful. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Omar dropped it.